Yeah.
Gatzke torching the fuck out of his car. Soak it right in, man. Soak her hard. The wind's blowing, so you gotta do her good.
So much for 40 bucks, eh, boys?
Sparker.
That's good, man. Leave some.
Go boom! Holy fuck. That's pretty sweet.
Some heat going off.
Give me the. I want to write something.
Yeah, give me it. I want to blow up my car first.
Right.
Holy, she's fucked. No, don't waste that.
Holy fuck, boys.
Watch that suck back into the container.
Watch Kafka, boys.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Fuck, look at her, she's melting.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Yes, wasted, guys.
Oh, may as well. What else you gonna do? People like house down today.
The battery.
Fuck it.
They're like, what the fuck?
I can't believe how long it's burned for, man. She was pretty hot.
Pretty warm out.
Yeah.
I can't get the top open.
Holy fuck, gig.
Oh, the battery's lighting.
Is it?
Look at the colors.
Ooh, that'd be good.
Boom. Yeah.
Yeah, let's get the fuck out of here.